Like it's very pleasing to drive around here. It doesn't matter if you have a shitty moped. The engine stops whenever it wants.
Biggest Shiva Lingam in Hampi, where I'm going to show you. Actually, this is the first biggest in Hampi. The second biggest one in South India. First biggest one is in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu state, Cholas period. The second biggest one, it is in Hampi, Vijayanagara period. It is popular by name Badavi Lingam. Badavi means it's Kannada word. Badavi means in Kannada a poor woman. We have the story, one of the poor women saved money for many days. Once she gave all her saving amount for making this big lingam. This is also monolithic statue, one big stone. 3 meter height it is total. Now less than half meter in the water. Originally there was no water. Water filled recently when they built this canal here. This water from the canal go for the cultivation purpose to the agriculture land. From that they took water connection for this lingam. Just to keep away the tourist. Because this lingam still today functioning.
Yeah, I can see flowers.
You can see also the 3 eye marks of Shiva there on the lingam.
Yeah.
Okay, Badavi Lingam or Shiva Lingam from 16th century. So next to Badavi Lingam, left side, we are walking to see the big statue of Narasimha. We know well, 4th incarnation, avatar of Lord Vishnu. He took this form to kill that demon Hiranyakashipu. He is popular by name today Ugra Narasimha. Ugra means angry.
Okay.
When we observe that Narasimha eyes here looks like angry. See more anger, his eyes are popping out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, his actual name with record Yoga Lakshmi Narasimha. He is in position of yoga. See, sitting for yoga on the coil of snake. That one snake with 7 heads, which has given him shade. When he was in yoga, right side for us, left side for him. On top of his left lap, there was a Lakshmi before. So his wife, she was sitting there. After the battle, Lakshmi has been completely destroyed by Deccan Sultanates. For evidence, you can see that small right hand which went behind him there.
Yes.
From her shoulder, with his left hand joint to his joint one.
Yeah.
And both of his legs was also destroyed. When archaeological people came for work there, they found both the legs nearby. They were fixed them back with the support of the back. Okay, it's a monolithic statue again, one big stone made in single stone in 1528. During the time of the great king Krishna Deva Raya.
The
Krishna
same
Deva Raya, 1509 to 1530. That is period is called Golden Age, I told. During his time, one of the famous architect, his name Arya Krishna Bhatta. Arya Krishna Bhatta, who made this beautiful statue. So this must be a functioning temple before, but not anymore.
Because it's been destroyed. So this road looks like a road in Goa. It's more likely. Like there are trees from both sides.
Just the weather is different.
Weather is different. Yeah. So is that it?
This is Gandikeshwara temple actually.
Okay.
That is functioning temple, Tirubhadra Swami.
So should I park here?
Not temple, if you want to pray, you can.
Okay.
Functioning temple.
Just want to see from outside, that's all.
Yeah, you can see from here. There are like hundreds of Hanuman temples in Hampi.
Okay.
Hanuman.
Yeah. Hanuman is quite worshipped over here
Because
because
Hampi, this was called Kishkinda.
yeah.
At the time of Ramayana, Hampi
So
was
this
called-
entire area is Kishkinda?
Yeah. See these two big stones right side?
Yeah.
It's only one big stone. Right side also only one big stone. Right side one recently destroyed
Okay.
by small plant.
Plant.
The plant become a tree.
Okay.
The roots of the tree are went inside.
Okay.
Those roots damaged such a big stone there. Just local name sister stones.
Okay.
Not historical. Akka Tangi Gundu in Kannada.
Sister stones. Octagonal work. Wow. Yeah.
You can tell that.
8 sides.
Yeah, 8 directions around the building. This is like fountain.
Okay. So there used to be a fountain over here.
That's all. Water maybe playing sometime. Because this is all like within the fort area.
Yeah.
They had all these facilities. You know.
Yeah. So from where the water used to come?
The convent, they'll have like pipes through this gap. Then from there, water was coming down through this gap. You see the small gaps in every corner, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Holes, like this.
Yeah.
Water falling down
Okay,
like this.
okay.
So water was flowing here. Somewhere like small, big pipes will be there like this. This is all destroyed now.
This place is more likely the place where Hank was killed. You know, Breaking Bad. How beautiful this is. The roads. Like it's very pleasing to drive around here. It doesn't matter if you have a shitty moped. The engine stops whenever it wants. So there is no idol inside. So there used to be Saraswati idol.
To know the board?
Yeah,
Can go to-
yeah, sure. Saraswati temple, as is written over here. Now I need to climb up the stones.
Well, pedestals, For many where they were fixing the small statues, idols,
Okay.
all this. Like Peetam. We called it Peetam. Pedestal.
Okay.
Originally, this is in some records Vishnu temple.
Okay.
Tiruvengadanatha. Tiruvengadanatha is Vishnu.
Mhm.
But it is popular as Saraswati temple, Saraswati temple. See the main sanctum sanctorum?
Yeah.
Okay? No Murti, only pedestal. This pedestal
Okay.
contains like maybe Vishnu Murti. This is Garuda. You know Garuda,
Mhm.
eagle, the vehicle for Vishnu. See the rooftop, the sanctum or the Shikhara. You can call it Shikhara.
Okay.
Krishna, like a woman. You know Gopikas,
Yeah.
when they went for the lake for swimming, they were all
And
like
he
that.
used to steal clothes.
They kept their clothes through the chest and they climbed on top of it. Gopikas,
Okay. This scene is quite beautiful.
yeah. But here, I know, I came to know that the China Gate,
Mhm.
That movie shooted here. That is not for the river. After that, the myth, Jackie Chan, with an Indian actress, Mallika Sherawat.
Yeah.
That was shooted in Hampi.
Okay.
Recently, the Rowdy Rathore.
Yeah, yeah.
So that one song they were came here in Vitala temple.
Okay.
Chariot is there in that temple.
Yes, yes. So I think we're done here. The Saraswati temple and the octagonal bath. Okay. From octagonal bath to Queen's bath. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just saying. From one bath to another. So here ends little venture. Another venture starts in the Queen's bath. Till then, hasta la vista. Ciao.